And Shark is back with a Shark lift away. The famous lift away is back and better than ever, and Elizabeth Watts is joining us. Price goes up at the end of the day on this one. It's here now with 3.2 million Shark vacs ordered in the past. Is that a right number there, Elizabeth? 3.2 million?
It is. Can you believe?
That's wild. This is the lowest price we have. All right, you know what's great about this? You know what I love about this? This is like everything old is new again.
Right? I was
Like
thinking
give me the long, fantastic cord. I never have to worry about if it's going to be charged up or not. Don't charge me $400 and $500 and $600 and $700, and give me one vac that does it all.
Absolutely. I was thinking the same thing, Rick. How many upright vacuums back in the day have you and I discussed and sold from Shark and talked to all our folks about? Because look, why do you want an upright? First of all, large capacity, the most power. But we're, of course, bringing you our lift away. So that makes it lighter weight when you want to do those above floor cleanings, when you want to go up the stairs. But it just pops all back together, and there is your super powerful upright. And this one has new technology.
New technology. We'll talk about. After we let you know, how many colors do we got here? This looks like the olive.
Yeah, only 2 left.
Only 2.
Only 2
olive,
colors left. Yeah.
And then right over here we have, is this the ash purple?
That is the ash purple. That's kind of like our classic Navigator. Do you remember this?
I remember the Navigator.
Kind of this color, but it's a little newer, a little bit more modern with that kind of gray tint.
And of course, we're giving tools with it as well, right?
Of course we are. This is the crevice duster I was using. This is your wonderful duster kit, your pet multi-tool over there. And part of the new technology suite is our ability to reduce the odors inside the vacuum so your home smells fresher when you're vacuuming.
Okay, we're going to reduce the odors, which is great. And it's #1, by the way, the #1 vac, #1 brand vac.
Yeah, it is.
Show us why, and show us why those PowerFins are so important, too.
Yes, so a couple of really cool things you need to know. We've redesigned our PowerFin brush roll. Of course we have, always making it better, so it picks up more dirt. Also, this one has our Detect, built right in. So you might have heard this from Shark. If not, pay attention. This is what's different. It knows, first of all, Rick, what kind of floor it's on. So first of all, this one says, I'm on hard floor. You see this little icon right here?
Yep.
Now, used to be, you remember in the old days,
That's a button.
I'd have to change something to go to the carpet, right?
So it detected
Watch the light.
It detected it.
It just detected that we
detected.
went up to the carpet. So if we keep an eye on our little light here, just in case you're nerdy like me and you want to look at those silly little things, you don't have to think about it.
Besides the light, what did it physically do to the suction?
Great question. So the suction is ramping up 4 times, up to 4 times more suction on carpets. Now here's another Detect, Rick. Now, I don't know if folks know this at home, but most vacuums aren't designed. In fact, go try this with your vacuum at home. They don't clean in the rear. They only clean towards the front. We actually created this one so that it is able to clean equally front to back. And so it detects which way the dirt is. It sends the suction that way.
I mean, you can hear it.
You can hear the power, right?
Yeah.
And it self-adjusts. And then in addition to that, you have the amazing power of this enormous dust cup. So think about being able to do the whole house all at once.
Yeah.
25-foot long cord so that you can get everywhere you need. And HEPA filtration in this one that's trapping 99.9% of the small particles that we want to keep inside there.
It's called the Shark Detect. 600 total to go around in 2 colors. 100 in the ash purple, and then we take away another color. See you later.
100? Oh, goodness.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Also, let's make sure that in your hand while you're moving this, this is going to be really, can I do this?
Absolutely. Really I was going to ask you if you wanted to jump in here. I knew you would. So, Rick, we've got it on the Detect mode. You can actually choose hard floor carpet or auto. Just put it on the auto mode. Then you never have to think about it.
I don't have to think about it.
Yeah, so it's perfectly calibrated right now for your hard floor. So
I got to tell you right now, so this is, guys, 1 finger.
Yeah.
1 finger I'm moving.
Yeah, it's less than 15 pounds.
Incredibly lightweight.
So lightweight. And look at all this power. I mean, look at these huge piles. The reason you want an upright vacuum is you can get it all done at once.
No snow plowing whatsoever.
No snow plowing.
Boy, that's got a kick to it.
I know.
Now, what should happen with old vacuums that didn't have the PowerFins?
Yeah.
By the way, look at this power. Look at this, guys.
I know.
Like, I'm not even over it.
Look at how
I'm not even near it.
Yeah. And that's why.
See you later.
That's why we sold over 3 million Sharks here at QVC.
Wow.
Yeah. All that suction, and that hair is not wrapping around the brush roll. It's going into the dust cup.
Here's another one. What about this pivot that you have with this vacuum?
Swivel.
Great swivel.
Yeah. And so the PowerFins, the reason why we have PowerFins too is because it takes care of all kinds of messes. So larger particles, fine particles, dust on your floor. And you can see that, the vibration there that amazing suction is causing without snow plowing. And that's what's so cool about the PowerFins on their own. Now we're adding the Detect to it.
You're going to show something like you want to show the bottom of it, see if there's any hair wrapped around
Let's see if there's any hair wrapped around that. Because you pick, Look at this.
Nothing.
Now there's that amazing brush roll.
Nothing.
Look at the chevron shape too, Rick. This is part of the whole thing. This is actually picking up more hair, more dirt, more debris around your house, even than our original PowerFins. We never sit back and say, all right, we're done.
Yeah.
We are always innovating.
Also, one thing I noticed,
Yes.
I'm noticing it right here again,
Yeah.
is the white cleaning pad.
Oh gosh,
This is
absolutely.
a huge white cleaning pad.
Yeah, without being too heavy, and
Right.
that's the point. You want to get it all done quicker. This is the one to go. Now let me show you something really neat here, Rick, and then we're gonna do a little comparison. You recognize this one too?
I do.
Back in the day, this was our first stick vac that sold crazy. This is our Rocket. But here's the problem with these most vacuums. In fact, I encourage you, try yours at home. Find something or put something down on the floor, and when you go forward, most vacuums work well that way. I mean, that's what they're designed to do. But watch this, Rick. When I pull it back, the problem is, well, it's actually a really good design. We don't want everything to shoot out the back. So there's something keeping it from shooting out the back, right? But what does this mean? You're only really cleaning well in the forward position. So wait, can I do this one, Rick?
Yeah.
I promise I'm gonna let you do the next one too. Well, watch this.
Now it's icky and
I'm gonna
illy.
pick up, yeah, that was, by the way, stinky and smelly.
Okay.
And that points to the fact that this does have that odor reduction in there. So again, like the other one, does well forward, but here's what we did. We actually came up with new technology.
Great
Now watch
shot.
this, Rick.
Yeah.
So what is that all about?
Well, you
Let me
just
show
saved
you.
yourself another move.
Exactly.
And
Cutting
in fact,
that
if you're doing the
time
whole
down.
home, that's like 100 moves you just
Exactly.
saved. That's
So
great.
I just want to show you the technology because I think it's so amazing. So it goes frontward and backward. This is that direction detect where it knows what direction the vacuum's going and it sends the suction forward and backward.
So the detect story is fantastic.
Yeah.
My producers just let me know. Chucky just said 6 dozen remaining
shoot.
in this ash purple. We lost one color. We're about to lose another one. We haven't had. When was the last time we had like the lift away story on Q?
I can't even remember. It's
Like,
been
I
years.
don't remember.
We don't get to have uprights very often. So if you love an upright vacuum, if you want the latest technology from Shark in an upright, this is the one.
So everything you loved about the Shark lift away, like the real vac,
Yeah.
like the long cord, don't have to charge it. Great buy on this thing. Not going to be a $600 or $700 vacuum. Now with new
is it.
technology.
You got
and
it.
Now, what do you mean by lift away?
Yeah, so what you do is you lift away the pod, so you've still got your HEPA filtration, you're taking it with you everywhere, you've got your huge dust cup. But let's say you want to, let's see, what do I want to do over here? Let me put on the crevice duster. All of these tools, by the way, have multi-uses, so 3 tools, really 6 tools, because I've got my bristles here.
Okay.
So if I want to, Rick, I can turn this on, and I can go over and look. Okay, I bet you there's some action, oh yeah. I can see the dust up here on this little ridge. I'm over here taking care of it with my feet on the ground.
How much is that in your hand?
This is about 6 pounds.
Great.
So super lightweight, and then you just slide it back on. So I think you're gonna love that piece of technology, but don't forget, this has got the latest technology with that detect mode built in.
Yeah, the detect mode. Also this odor thing. Could you just touch on that? Because we've only got 6 minutes.
absolutely. Yeah,
Don't have
sure.
the whole hour on this.
Right, so you've got your little cartridge here. We're gonna give you a cartridge that lasts 6 months. If you don't love it, you don't have to get it replaced. They're super affordable though, just a few bucks for that. And what this does is it goes through the whole vacuum and it gives just a really light scent. I mean, you can hardly smell it, right? It's not really about a perfume, but it keeps those musty, dusty smells down.
Great for pet odors, right?
Oh my gosh, amazing.
Because you got
Yeah.
a lot of pet
Yeah.
hair and going through
Yep,
there and stuff.
yep.
It might sit in that vac. And that's
Yeah,
going to help you out.
absolutely.
Okay, another
Let's do
side by
side.
side.
Yeah, so what we have here is this is again our Rocket and our bristles. So this is the old school, everybody had the bristle brush on their vacuums.
5 dozen in the ash purple. Then
Oh,
it's gone.
geez.
Today's special value coming up
Get
soon.
your
Stay
purple
tuned.
if you want it. All right, so I'm gonna turn mine on. Rick, turn yours on. Now I've got to select carpet, but you don't have to because guess what? The vacuum knows it's on carpet.
We
So
do
it's
it?
automatically
3, 2, 1,
going.
go?
Oh yeah, go. Let's go. So they both work well. I'm gonna go a couple times because I've got the bristles. I think I need a little more
I'm
help.
done.
I think you were done immediately. Let's just go side by side. Let's do it. Let's do it.
I'm scared. I'm nervous.
I'm nervous. What's happening? Look at the difference. Immediately wrapped with hair because why? Those little bristles grab the hair, then it wraps around. Now I need my scissors.
I mean,
now
not
I
a
need
good
knife.
idea.
It's not a great idea. Look at this
No.
one. Look at this one. Every time I turn it on, Rick, it is cleaning itself. Every single rotation, it's cleaning itself.
Give me strength. I mean, that was a good idea in its time.
In its
So
time.
was the 8-track tape player in its time. Not anymore. Not such a good idea.
Right.
Now you don't need to worry about that with these PowerFins.
yeah.
It detects the
Something else.
dirt. PowerFins included. No need to charge this thing. Olive,
this.
and now I can get to all sorts of little places as well.
Yeah, so we want to, look, we don't just have dust in the big areas. Sometimes you have detail areas you want to clean. We still want to have that HEPA filtration to keep the dust inside. So we give you this wonderful little tool. And by the way, with a 25-foot power cord, if you've got a garage, you could take this out to the car. It's an amazing detail vacuum. So anywhere where you've got little dust areas, even look at this, Rick, along here, you know, these areas get dusty over time. This will help you get in there.
I have a little dust on my Q water container
okay.
too. That's my personal water container. There you go. Rick's magic water in there.
Yeah.
A little dust on there.
Also, right here on the handle, this is an important little detail that Shark
Please.
always does. We've got minimum and maximum suction. So if I want to do something and I need a little less suction, I can turn it down.
I was just gonna, why wouldn't you
Yeah.
want maximum suction?
Well,
area rub?
Right? If
Right.
if it ever gives you
Something
trouble.
delicate?
Exactly. That's one thing. If you have a shag carpet,
A
put it on
lampshade
minimum.
dusting.
Perfect.
Right.
Yeah, but make sure you put it back on max when you're done, so that now you have the max you need for your floors and
Here we go.
and all your other cleaning.
$46 and free shipping and handling. Here's the other thing. It's $16.72 to ship this to you. Not here. $348 value. By the way, $350 in a vacuum is like an average price now.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened to the vacuum world. It got more expensive. So a better deal, $229 and free shipping, and on our best payment plan is 5 easy payments. Great way to bring this home. What do you got?
Yes, and to get up that upright that we've been waiting for here at QVC, it's here. So here's my full dustbin. You can see I've got cereal, there's dust and stuff in here. I wanted to show you that. A couple other things too, Rick. Easy to clean filters. Here's your pre-motor filter, your post-motor filters down there, so super easy to do. Everything snaps in and out very easily. And then let's talk about power, because this is an upright. We expect it to have the most power of any of our vacuums. A corded upright vacuum is going to have the most power, okay?
Yeah.
Across the board. So when I turn
It
this
will
on,
have the most power.
it will have the most
I'm
power.
sorry. It's
just the way it is. Yeah, and you can hear that. Listen to those billiard balls smack up in there. And the reason why you want an upright, if you are, you know, not everybody does, I get it. If you've got a lot of carpeting in your home, if you have someone with allergies in your home, if you have a pet, this will not lose suction even when full. However, watch this, Rick. When I turn the suction to minimum, okay, and then back up to maximum, that's the difference.
You've never done that before.
Yeah, I know, isn't that cool? You have that ability to control.
That's good.
I'm glad I could surprise you, Rick, after all these years.
So they did not lose any suction
not losing
whatsoever.
suction.
Hey guys,
Absolutely.
with 1 minute done, that's an exaggerated demonstration.
Yeah.
We got 1 minute to go. This is the olive. We're down to the final quantities here.
Yeah.
If you want to do it. I love it. I love the Shark. I love the long cord.
Yep.
You know what? You might have a little stick
Swivel.
back for a little lighter duty.
Sure.
But there are times when you really want to vacuum it
Yeah,
up.
yeah.
And you don't want to have a lot of time, don't have a lot of time, but you want it to be done in one pass cleaning, forward and backward. Love
Yep.
it. The swivel action, Elizabeth, is incredibly impressive.
Isn't it
Like,
good?
it's a great glide.
It
This
takes-
is not a beastly heavy vac.
Yeah,
It's
it
really,
takes a larger vacuum and makes it easier to use. That's what we discovered.
Right, and it's
Right?
not only the weight, it's the glide of the movement.
Exactly.
It's like a car.
Yeah,
You
so
know, it's
don't
just easy to maneuver.
Don't be afraid of a larger vacuum as long as it's a Shark, because you'll know it has that maneuverability, it has that no loss of suction, and the tools that we really need. Yeah, got it
By
all.
the way, you've got the olive. What do I have over here?
Is there still any?
Boom. Fewer than 4 dozen. It's
Just
the
a
ash
few.
purple. We're busy on the phones. Guess what? QVC.com, the apps. We got today's special value coming up. Big show. Loving your home. Great to have
Good
you
to
here.
see you, Rick. Thanks, everybody.
I have to run to a completely different part of our studio, like by myself, like with
ya.
my shoes.
See ya.
Yeah, time
See ya.
for today's special value. Coming up now.